Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Two girls and welcome laga, and I'm back with another video. For today's video, I am going to my doctor. Well, not today, I'm going to my doctor tomorrow morning, but yeah, my appointment is at 9 a.m. and I usually finish gym at, let's say, 8:30, so I figured I wouldn't be able to film this video in the morning, so that's why I'm filming it now. So yeah, I'm going to my doctor tomorrow morning. And I'm finishing a procedure that I said I would finish like early this year, I think in January. Yeah, I filmed the video, I think last year November, that I was doing my teeth. And then I paid the doctor, but I did not go for my appointment. But I'm finally ready. Like, it doesn't matter because I paid, but somehow I can't do it. So I'm finally going now. I'm ready to do it. So yeah, I'm going to the doctor. So yeah, let me show you what the problem. So on this video, I wanted to show you guys what the problem is with my teeth and why I'm doing my teeth. So I'm crowning my teeth, and last year what I did was, what did I do last year? The doctor did some fillings for my teeth. So what we are doing tomorrow is that we're crowning my teeth. So I'm supposed to crown 4 of my teeth, but I did not want to go through like all of the pain at the same time, so I opted to do 2 crowns tomorrow, and then in a week or 2 I'm gonna do my other 2 teeth. And yeah, so that's what I'm doing tomorrow. And then I think after I crown my last tooth, then I will bleach. Yeah, I'll bleach my teeth. So yeah, that's what I'm doing at the doctor's tomorrow. So let me show you what the problem is. So can you see this? So this over here, so this is what I'm doing tomorrow. I don't like this. And this over here, apparently I thought I needed to do this one only, but the doctor said I also need to do this one as well, so to crown this one as well. So the reason my teeth are like this is because I did, what's this gonna, yeah, I did root canals. I think this was, let's say, 3-4 years ago on these 2 tooths. And I also did one over here, and on this tooth I fell when I was a kid, and then we did what did we do, we did a filling. Yeah, dawa ipakini, and then yeah, kofneka nenzi filling. So yeah, so that's why we need to do all 4, then Kenwoko will level them up. And also my doctor says that like, I don't know how, like, I don't know how to explain this. So if you're looking at my teeth, you'll see that the front, like this, the upper part is sort of like forward. And I was like, no, I've never sucked my thumb like ever in my life, so I don't understand that. So he says it means that I sleep like this. So this is how I sleep. Apparently this is how I sleep, and that's why the upper part of my teeth is forward. So he wanted to fix that as well, and I was like, I'm not bothered by this, Linda. I don't see anything like wrong, unless if then only they identify it. But yeah, that is about it. So that's what I'm doing tomorrow at my doctor's. I think I'll finish off this vlog tomorrow, and I'll film as well. The last time he allowed me to film. I promise I will finish this vlog this time. I will complete everything. I'll do all of my teeth, and I'll show you guys the final results. Yeah, so this is what I wanted to show you. I wanted to show you my before, so I'll show you this video like in sections so that we can see the difference. So today, this is my before. Can you see? These 2 tooths have turned gray, and that's because that's what the root canal does after a while. So that's why I want to do this. Otherwise, these 2 teeth I'll do like a week or 2 weeks later. The reason I'm not sure is because I haven't booked an appointment, but I have paid for them, and there's inside. But anyway, we're true. That's what I'll be doing. So I'll give you guys the totality of how much I spent at my doctor's when I am done with everything, because now we're just doing the crowns. And the reason I'm saying plus minus 50k is because I'm including the, what's this? I didn't
set this table for you.
You didn't set this table for me.
I didn't set it for you to come and do your stuff.
reason I'm saying that it is plus minus 50k is because I'm including the money that I spent last year for my fillings and also the top part. But this is an estimate, you guys, because we haven't completed everything. I haven't paid for my bleaching and also the leveling of my teeth, so I'm not quite sure like how much that will be. So that's why I'm giving you an estimate. Once I'm done with everything, then only I can tell you like the exact amount, because the assistant said that at the end of the process they might return an amount of money, or I might have to add an amount of money depending on the procedures that I'll have to do. So yeah, I'm not quite sure on the prices, so this is just an estimate, so that's why. Yeah, okay, I'll see you guys tomorrow. Yeah, I'll see you guys tomorrow in the morning. Yeah, I'll see you guys tomorrow morning. Peace. Hey guys, I'm finally here. It's so quiet, I feel like I'm making a noise, so that's why I'm speaking so softly. But yeah, I'm finally here. I'm just waiting on my doctor. Oh, I'm super early. The time now is 20 to 9 and my appointment is at 9 o'clock sharp, so I am super early. So I'm just gonna chill for 20 minutes, maybe go to the bathroom before everything, and then yeah, we'll do it.
Cool. It's a long stage to do.
Hey guys, so I am back home and I'm done with the procedure that I needed to do. Well, not really. So what my doctor did today, he, what does it call it? I don't know, man. So he opened my my tooth and he put in something in there so that he can do the crowning in 2 weeks. He says the reason he's not doing it now is because he wants to whiten all my teeth. So we did not do the crowning. The only thing that we did is to prepare for the crowning. Babe, yo, uyandicukela kodwa wena shem. Oh baby. Anyway guys, my man's is here and he does not want to stop listening to his thing. So yeah, if you're hearing that noise, I apologize. So yeah, so he just prepared my tooth for crowning, and the reason why he did that is because he says he does not want to crown and then bleach. He wants to bleach and then crown my teeth so that we can see the consistency of my normal teeth, so that the crown can look the same color as my normal teeth. So that's why he's first gonna bleach or whiten my teeth and then we'll crown. So next week I'm also going for another doctor's appointment, and next week I'm bleaching my teeth. Now I'm not quite sure if I should post this vlog now and then do another vlog when I'm bleaching my teeth, or shall I just combine the two? I'm really conflicted because there's not really much change. Let me just show you. So this is it. It's still the same color. I'm sure you guys can see it's still the same color. So maybe let's bleach, and then I'll post this video, and then after bleaching, then we'll go for the crowning. So I'll make three, in fact I'll do 3 separate videos. Okay, let me show you the goodies that I got from the doctor today. Well, you guys saw them. You saw these. Okay, this is what I got. I got these Sensodynes. They are like samples. So I got these Sensodynes. These are different flavors. This one is the original gum and repairer. The other one is the paradox. Okay, expert gum care. This one is the what? Clean and fresh. And the other one is a daily protection. So I took these. I was like, I'm saying free goodies, and I'm taking them because they are patala. I'm talking about yo imalendi kuba apa. Oh my gosh. So yeah, I also need to pay for my bleaching. So the reason why I'm saying it's plus minus 50k is because there are these new costs now. So I need to pay for my teeth whitening, which I did not pay for. So yeah, I think these costs will go up, and they'll also come down a bit, but the coming down I'm not quite sure about. But yeah guys, I will go to the doctor next week, and I'll also vlog that with you. So yeah, I shall see you then. Good morning you guys. Good morning, good morning. Hopefully you guys can hear me. I just woke up and I took a quick shower. I'm going back to the doctor's today. Today is Thursday. I'm not quite sure about the date. What's the date? It's the 21st of July. So yeah, last week I went for what was supposed to be crowning, but the doctor opened my teeth. If you remember, these 2 teeth on the side. Today I think my teeth are clean. I think they look white enough, but the doctor says that we should bleach them and see how the color is going to be. So we're going to bleach them, and then yeah, we want to see how far like my whiteness can go. Like I'm hoping that it would be more whiter than what it is. Well, obviously it is going to be like white, more whiter than what it obviously is now, but I just want to know like which level of whiteness can we reach. So yeah, this is my teeth at the moment. I think they're white, no, but my doctor thinks that we can go a bit further with this white. So yeah, I'm going to him now, and I think time now is 8:15. My appointment is at 9 o'clock. I should get going. I will see you guys when I'm back. Hey guys, I just got here, and I think today I'm not gonna take any injections. I'm happy about that. So I'm early. It's 9:15 now, so which means I still have 15 minutes before I go in. My appointment is exactly at 9 o'clock. So I'm just chilling over here. I'm just happy that today there's no needles that I'll be taking. So yeah, yes. I'll just do it. And I forgot I left my iPad at home, so I cannot even edit anything. So I literally have nothing to do but just sitting and talking to you guys. Hey guys, so I just came back from my doctor and we're done whitening my teeth. So he says that the next procedure we're going to do that procedure in 2 to 4 weeks. So yeah, I'm going to see him for the crowning of these 2 teeth and also these ones in about 2 to 4 weeks. So this is my whitening at the moment. It is super, I'm not sure if it's sharp pain or it's shocking pain, but like there is pain and sensitivity at the same time. I'm not sure if you guys are catching it. So this is my whitening at the moment. This is how my teeth look. I thought that my teeth are super white, but after doing this whitening, child, well, this was not a whitening, this was a bleaching. So yeah, let me show you. Guys, they are super white. Now I'll put a before here and also an after so that we can compare between the two, but this is it, you guys. I feel like they are super white, so you guys shouldn't count these two teeth and also these ones on the side, because those are the ones that we are crowning, and we're going to do that in about 2 to 4 weeks. I'm not quite sure. He let me know when he thinks that my my teeth are perfect for crowning, because we need to see like the final whiteness so that we can crown according to the color of my teeth. I'm not sure if you're getting me, but yeah. So I'm not allowed to drink any Coca-Cola. I'm fine with not drinking any Coke because I don't drink it anyway. So any fizzy drinks, and also coffee child. Oh my gosh, I love coffee so much. I'm not sure if I'll be able to stay without coffee. Angiko sure, but yeah, it is what it is. I think I'll go without coffee for, like he said, for a day. No coffee, no tea, no coffee, no nothing. The only thing I'm gonna drink today is a water. So yeah, yes you guys, this is my teeth at the moment. This is it. This is how they look. Chill. I think this is super white. I think this is really like super white. According to my doctor, I was on 7 on his scale. Now I am on 3, so tomorrow I should be on 2, and throughout the week probably I'll be on 2, but towards the end of week 4 I should be on 1. So they're going to be super white. So yes you guys, this is it. The pain, I'm feeling sharp pain, sensitivity. I'm not quite sure what it is, but it's like shocking pain. Like you'd be sitting and chilling and then you feel it, like you feel it. It's so deep. Oh my gosh. But yeah, yes you guys, I will see you tomorrow morning. He also gave me is it medication? No, it's like a, let me show you. These are for my sensitive teeth, the sharp pain that I'm talking about. So he says that I'll be out like on restaurants or to the mall or whatever, and then I'll start feeling the pain that I'm currently feeling. The pain that I'm currently feeling now, I'll have it like every now and then. So I should carry these and have these in my bag. So yo, pain ilapa, yo child. Maybe I should start putting it now, yes. Maybe later. Okay guys, I will see you. I think I'm closing this vlog now, but I'll show you my teeth tomorrow as well. So I'll film my crowning in about 2 to 4 weeks. I'm not quite sure when we will be doing it, but it will be before the beginning of September. I'll see my doctor again. So now I'll just be waiting for my teeth to be white, and then I'll wait for my doctor to give me a call to come back. That will be in about 2 to 4 weeks. So I'm not quite sure. I'll just wait on his call so that I can go through. Okay, cool guys, I will see you in my next video. Thank you very much for tuning in. If you enjoyed this video, please don't forget to like, comment, and also subscribe. Also, please don't forget to click the notification bell to be notified of future uploads. Until next time, it is peace from me. Bye. I'm not sure if I showed you guys properly these. Camera focusing? Yeah, it is. Oh wow, the camera is focusing. So yeah, these are the 2 items that the doc gave me. I will see you guys in my next upload. Bye.